Do you remember when last time Nvidia did something great for gamers? Probably we can say the launch of ray tracing. Nvidia did a great thing while ego for as a gamers, but thing has been changed and Nvidia did a great thing again for us as a gamers. Recently they just changed our beloved software Nvidia control panel. It looks like this in 2024. Design is based on the layout and design of Windows XP that was launched in early 2000s. Bro, Nvidia did a garbage thing by carrying out this control panel till 2024. If we talk about the AMD's control panel, that looks lot more cleaner, more modern and more responsive. Till date they have updated their control panel very while ago, but Nvidia didn't change anything. Every gamer, every user just begged for decades to change their control panel, but Nvidia has listened now and they had updated their control panel. Now it will called as Nvidia app. I'm here to share everything about the new Nvidia app, but although this is still in the beta stage, this is going to be rolled out publicly soon. But today let's check out how that new Nvidia app looks like. To download new Nvidia beta app, just click the link down below in the description and click on the download. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download. Let's start how to install it. So to install it, just click on it and allow the access. And if already Nvidia drivers Geforce experience is installed, it will ask you to upgrade. As I have already installed the Nvidia control panel over here. This is the old one. Yes, this is the old one, and it will ask you to upgrade. Let me show you the Geforce experience. This is the Geforce experience and this is the Nvidia control panel. Yes, we had two separate apps. That was hell, and this application was totally unresponsive. Took years to respond when I just click on this, but this has been changed. So if you have already installed Geforce experience and the drivers, it will ask you to upgrade. So I will click on upgrade and it will ask you to agree, so do it and it will start installing. Let's wait for the installation. Alright, that is installed and it took little bit time. Don't worry, while installing your screen may flicker, and that's why I stopped recording while the installation, so my video should not crash. So I got an error, launch your app, it does not work. Then try reinstalling the Nvidia app and reboot your PC. So let's see, close it, and here is the new shortcut we have for Nvidia, and I think this time it's worked. And for now it will ask you select preferred drivers. If you are a gamer, I will highly recommend select the game ready drivers. If you do more like animations and game development or something kind of thing, so you can go for the Nvidia Studio drive. So if I am a gamer, so I will select game ready drivers. Next, it will ask you to optimize games and creative application. I will select no. What it will do, it will apply the Nvidia recommended graphic settings to every game. So I don't want that. I want to use my own graphic settings. So I don't want to Nvidia mess with those things. So I will click next. Next is will ask to enable the Nvidia overlay. Definitely enable that, because that is the main thing. We need the overlay, we need the stats counter, everything. So Nvidia overlay is enabled. Also redeem an exclusive reward. This is the only section where it will ask you to log in if you want to redeem any kind of exclusive rewards, but you can skip this, and believe me, this is the most satisfying part of this app. I can skip the login. Wow. In the previous Geforce experience, the login was mandatory. You was even not to use the application if you haven't logged in, but this time Nvidia has changed this, and I do praise that. Yes, that is awesome. And this is the home page. Let me maximize it so you can see it more clearly. And this is the home page. We have a different tab. On the left side we have a home page where we can see the slider, the Nvidia marketing section, and here is their library. For now the OBS is running. I'm recording with the OBS, and this is also showing over here. We can do a setting, we can launch it, and also some and also our game library over here. So my every game is over here, and also it picked the VLC Okay, nice. This is the discover section. We can get more install or get more Nvidia apps. So for now, for example, Nvidia broadcast, it is not supported on my GPU because I am using GTX 1660 Super. Yes, this Nvidia app is working on my GTX 1660 Super. I had biggest fear since my last 2 days that new Nvidia app is coming, but we had like rumors that new Nvidia app will work only on RTX GPUs, but it is working on my not RTX, GTX 1660 Super, and we have Nvidia broadcast that does not work on my GPU, so it says not working. And also we can get Omniverse and Converse, which is also not working, iCat and other things. These are the Nvidia exclusive application. So let's go to the driver tabs. This is the tab where we can download new drivers which are available. We can also switch the drivers to game ready and studio drivers. So, and also the important thing and very awesome thing did by the Nvidia, that is you can see what is new inside these drivers and also what is fixed. It's also showing you the what drivers are already installed. So let's go to the next tab, and that is the graphic tab. That is the most satisfying thing. I do not have to go to a separate tab. Previously I need to go to the Nvidia control panel, then I need to go to the Geforce experience. That was hell. But now it is unified experience. Everything is just available in one app. So I can change the setting. For example, if I want to change the settings for my Counter-Strike, I can click over here and I can set my ambient occlusion and everything for it. I can also get an optimize from click an optimize setting from here, and it will apply the recommended settings for my GPU, for my GTX 1660 Super. And I can also set a global setting over here. Every setting I can apply the setting for per game. I can also apply these settings globally. It will be set to every game. And the next section is the redeem section, where some promos will be available over here. Currently it's not loading on my internet. Promo is available on Call of Duty, and there's some kind of XP bundles are available that can be redeemed over here if you are logged in to the new Nvidia app, not the GeForce Experience app. And the last tab is setting app, where you can see some settings like Nvidia, or you can enable disable Nvidia overlay. You can also enable disable the filter and photo modes, and you can also set an automatic update for the drivers and some other generic settings over here. Also we have the notification settings over here. You can enable the notification, it will let you notify whenever the new driver updates is available. And here is the about section, and this is the beta version, and it will be available globally probably within the month or month and a half. So but I really praise the Nvidia. They did change their app and it looks more stable. And the most important thing I need to mention, I forget about, now the switching type is more seamless. It's fluid. It's very fluid. Previously in the Nvidia control panel, let me show you if it's still available, because it is the it is not the stable version, it is the beta version. For now the Nvidia control panel is not fully integrated. So just check over here. It takes a decade to switch to different tabs. I can feel the latency, but over here in the app, the switching tab, switching profiles and everything is just updating for my RDR2. So for example, I'm in drivers, I go to home, I go to graphics, everything is seamless. Yes, Nvidia did a really good job in this regard. Do let me know what you think about this. I have not talked about any kind of features like we have an RTX Vibrance, dynamic vibrance, we have an RTX R2 HDR, because that's not going to be supported on my GTX 1660 Super probably. But I have not talked about that. Do let me know what you think about this, and do let me know if you want a more in-depth feature review kind of thing. We will be meeting you in another video. Till that, bye.